Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Legion. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Next, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Then we've got transit, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.